Hello, Mr. Josh here. In this video I will show you the difference between the words pray and pray. Before that, would you like to win 5 hours of Skype lessons with me? Simply subscribe and leave a comment for this video to be entered into the draw. Details are in the description below. Now, back to the video. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. I wonder if pray ever pray for a quick death. Pray is the act of speaking to one's God. Prey is any animal that is another animal's lunch. If you enjoyed this video, you should try one of these.